Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So yeah, you guys learned the composition. What is a composition? So now we are discussing what is the timeline. So let's make a new composition. Yup. So after making composition, you have to import your clip. So you can just press Ctrl I, or you can just right click here, import file. Okay, after that it opens a folder. So now let's just grab anything like this. Okay, so here is your clip. This is called project panel. So you just drag your clip right here or right here, wherever you want. So this is the clip. Okay, wait a sec. Oh yeah, you can also zoom your clip in the timeline. Okay, like this, with this thing. Zoom your clip with this thing, or you can also like move the timeline with this thing. Okay, so this thing is used to zoom the timeline. Yeah, like that, you understand? Okay. After that, I want to tell you, this is called playhead. Playhead means where your video will play. Like if the playhead is here, the video will start. After that, here. I want to tell you this thing, this thing right here. Okay, so you can just like chop your edit right here. If you just play your video, now after playing the video, it will just start yeah, like stop here or loop. So this thing is like a barrier. Okay, the video just play here and then loop again and again. This thing is like just a barrier. So if I move here, like you look, the video is playing again and again. So yeah, this is a barrier, you understand? Okay. After that, what are these things? Okay, so don't touch this thing. These things you don't touch because you are a beginner. So I am only telling you the important things. You can understand after the videos, like in the future you understand what is that. So this thing is called motion blur. So if you want to apply motion blur on your video, just click here. Okay, just click here. Yeah, this is called the adjustment layer. I cover this in the next topics, like the layers topic. So yeah, just leave it. This is called 3D. I also make a video on 3D, so let's just ignore this. Okay, after that, if you want to add beats, just click here. Okay, you know you have to add beats whenever you editing a velocity edit or another edit. So you can just add beats from here, and you can also move beats. Control D means it will duplicate your clip, and Control Shift plus D cut your clip. Okay, this is for the voice. If you want to remove the voice of your video, just click here. If you want to add voice, just click again. If you want to like hide the video, click on I right here. Look, you understand? Yeah, so for today I think this is enough for timeline, because I am telling you guys like little bit, so you guys try to understand.